I'm back at Knott's Berry Farm to have some fun and cruise around the park. So how about you and I dive right in? And just like that, I've made it back to the friendliest place in the West, Knott's Berry Farm, on this beautiful SoCal day. Oh yeah, there's a nice little breeze happening. It's not too cold, not too hot. Perfect day to enjoy Knott's Berry Farm. So let's head inside the park. Super easy entry process. You can see they still have all the beautiful decorations up because the Boysenberry Festival is still happening. And my buddy Cole is joining me today.
And I'm joining you today.
Exactly.
And you're with me and such.
We'll call you next week, thanks.
Okay.
Now, as you can see, the park is very busy today, but that's okay though, because this is not my first time here, and I was bracing for the crowds anyway, since today is a weekend. I believe it's a Saturday, yes. Saturday, right? That's what's...
All day.
There we go. So yeah, it's gonna be busy. A lot of school kids here today. A lot of kids are graduating, so a lot of them are going to theme parks for their grad nights and whatnot. And yeah, I mean, then we still got the Boysenberry Festival, so there's still a lot of people kind of cruising around. But look over here at Fiesta Village, the refurb continues, and Fiesta Village will be reopening later on this month, which is very exciting. Now, with that said, a lot of the attractions in Fiesta Village are open right now, but as far as like the aesthetic stuff, like all the buildings and all that fun stuff, they're still working on that. Look at that, they've repainted the carousel building, and that looks nice. Yeah, they got the new pavement over here by the carousel, so this is nice. And Soul Spin got a paint job. It's not quite done yet. They still have a few more things to do on it. And then closest to Revolution and Hat Dance, they've pulled back the construction fence to reveal all of this. Look at that. They got some cool tile work over here now. Yeah, I really like this. This is beautiful. Yeah, it's nice and clean. Ooh, yeah, it's nice and smooth too. Yeah, good job. I love this. That's what Knott's really needs, is just more aesthetic kind of stuff. And they're doing such a good job around the park. And I'm glad that Fiesta Village finally got it. And then speaking of Revolution, here's the new look. So they painted it a nice, beautiful aqua and teal color, and got some green in there as well. And then we have really cool design on the side and on the ride vehicle itself. Yeah, this is cool. I love this. Follow the yellow brick road. And then look at this over here, Dragon Swing, another beautiful tile mosaic. Yeah, overall, I really love the changes. The only thing is that obviously the new trees don't provide too much shade, but over the next few years, once they grow in, it will eventually, obviously get really big. But for right now, we're just gonna have to deal with the sun, but everything looks just so well put together. I like it. Oh, look at this new drinking fountain over here. And look at this, you can put your water bottle so you can refill it. Love that. That's cool. All right, Cole, give it a test drive. Let's see.
Very nice.
Oh, wait, no, we gotta press the button. Wait, let's take two.
Okay.
Give it a test drive. Oh, nice. We're gonna keep going. Yeah, we're gonna wait until this thing is filled. All right.
Oh, almost perfect.
It's okay, that's why there's a little drain there. And don't worry, since it's filled to the top, we gotta spill a little out. We'll help these trees grow. Let's just help the trees grow there. There we go. Ooh, we got the new sign for the Wave Swinger attraction. Love that. Looks like it's hand painted. That's cool. Working our way towards Montezuma's Revenge. Yeah, they're still working on the games over here. And you cannot access the restrooms, so you're gonna have to use the restrooms in Camp Snoopy. Oh man, I am super excited though for Montezuma's Revenge to reopen, because yeah, that's going to be getting a pretty big refurbishment. And here's another angle of Monty on this side. Yeah, I don't know if this attraction is going to open at least with the rest of Fiesta Village. This might be a little bit later on in the summer, or maybe even later on this year, because yeah, it just seems like the work on this particular ride is just staying stagnant. All new Fiesta Village sign. That's really nice. I love that. That's really cool. I wonder what the sign over on the other end is gonna eventually look like. Oh, it looks like the Easter Bunny left some of his eggs behind. Yeah, a lot of the Easter decorations here in Camp Snoopy are still up. They'll probably keep these up throughout the spring and then swap everything out for the summer, do some new displays, and then eventually they'll bring in all the spooky decorations for Knott's Scary Farm, because yeah, that's gonna be starting here in just a few months. Believe it or not, I know it's already May, June, July, August. We have about 3 months until all of the Halloween stuff comes in. That's crazy. And here's your latest look at Montezuma's Revenge. Yeah, just not a lot happening. So I'm curious what the heck's going on. I wonder if they're just waiting on the manufacturer for parts, or they're waiting on something else. Might be a supply chain thing that they're dealing with. because yeah, a lot of the track is just not really here, because Montezuma's Revenge is going to be receiving a magnetic launch. So, wow, yeah, there's a lot happening over there. Yeah, those people are also wondering what the deal is with the track here. So, so yeah, they haven't received, I don't see any of the magnetic fins or anything like that on the track just yet. Obviously the vertical loop is still not there. So yeah, it's just one big question mark here at Montezuma's Revenge. Really looking forward to it though. I'm excited. Like I said, at its current state, I don't think this is going to be something that is going to open up with Fiesta Village just by looking at it right now. This might open up later on in the year. You know, I'm thinking maybe very late summer, maybe sometime in the fall or early winter, because yeah, there's still quite a bit of work to do here. And even the station hasn't really seen that much work either. And Cole was just pointing out like pretty much all the kineticism that's happening in front of us. There's 3 rides, actually more. You see Accelerator off in the distance, and then Supreme Scream. That's what's kind of cool about this section of Knott's Berry Farm. There's just a lot happening. Yeah, there goes Silver Bullet right there. And eventually when Montezuma's Revenge is running, then you're gonna have a lot of action happening. There goes Jaguar. All the rides are kind of like on top of each other over here. It's pretty neat. We made our way back to the front of the park. We're gonna walk through Ghost Town to see what's going on in here. And yeah, I've mentioned this a million times on the channel before. They do a great job growing the boysenberries here. I mean, they're huge. Oh, hello, gentlemen. It's nice to see you. It's been a minute. Yeah, it's been a couple months since I've seen you two. I'm glad you're still hanging out over here, enjoying the ambiance of the park and the Boysenberry Festival. I missed Ghost Town. It's nice to be back. I love this section of the park. It's just so immersive. And as always here in Ghost Town, the flower displays and just everything are just so beautiful. Made it over here to Hang Time. We're gonna have to pass up on Hang Time. The wait time is about 3 days, so we're not gonna be able to do this one today. But nonetheless, we can still enjoy its beauty. There she goes up the lift hill. All right, they're gonna hang there for a little bit. And there they go. So much fun. And over here at Accelerator, still no movement and still no word on when this ride is going to be reopening at Knott's Berry Farm. I hope sometime soon. Keeping my fingers crossed each time I'm here that they open it up sometime this year. But with the work happening at Top Thrill Dragster at Cedar Point in Sandusky, Ohio, I can imagine that they're eyeballing this particular attraction maybe to replace the launch system to a magnetic system. Because I'm assuming that's what they're doing to Top Thrill Dragster. That's at least what rumor on the street is, that they're making Top Thrill Dragster a magnetic launch instead of the hydraulic launch. So yeah, we'll see. We shall see. I miss Accelerator a lot. I really do. And with its gorgeous paint job, I mean, it's just kind of chilling here. This could also be like a financial thing as well. Knott's might be allocating money to other projects in the park, like Fiesta Village. We have also a big event coming up, Knott's Scary Farm. So they might be putting money elsewhere where they know they can see a quick return of investment. So with Accelerator, I think it's just a lot of time and energy that needs to be put back into this attraction to get it up and running again, because these hydraulic launch systems are few and far between, and they can be issues here and there. They can be problematic. So I could see why Knott's is probably trying to find a solution for this, something maybe more efficient. And again, yeah, I would not be surprised if this goes to a magnetic launch and LSM system. So the only thing with the magnetic launch though is you don't really have too much room to get the train up to speed to go over the top hat. So we shall see. You can put some magnetic fins up on the hill a little bit, like we've seen at Full Throttle and West Coast Racers. But with this, it's a little bit different. And I don't think, did you have something to say there? I saw your hand.
No, I was just gonna take a little lean.
But yeah, so yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it every time I'm at Knott's Berry Farm. Fingers crossed that we can ride Accelerator sometime soon. Made it over here to Timber Mountain Log Ride. It's down for refurbishment right now. I'm sure they'll get it up and running by the summer so they can deal with all the busy crowds throughout the rest of the week. But look at down here at the splashdown, they're redoing a lot of the rock work. So it's really good to see them sprucing up some of the rock work on the mountain, because it's been so long. I don't think I remember the last time I saw Knott's Berry Farm work on a lot of the rock work on this attraction. All right, we're gonna make our way back over to Silver Bullet because we're gonna try to give that one a spin. Figure 2 train ops on Silver Bullet. Usually operations on Silver Bullet are really good. There's 4 people to a seat on that particular ride, so the line shouldn't be too long. Okay, at the front of Silver Bullet, it says it's a 60-minute wait, and it's about like right here. There's nobody on this side, so that's good, but yeah, I don't know. It's just hard to tell. Okay, slight change of plans. We're gonna do the stagecoach first because usually this attraction closes a little bit earlier than the rest of the attractions in the park. So we're gonna do this one first and then Silver Bullet. Well, that was such a fun ride on the stagecoach. Such a classic attraction here at Knott's Berry Farm and super unique. And also Cole's first time, so that was fun. We also got a good look, brief good look at the Knott's Scary Farm construction happening. That's really nice to see. It looks like crews are working on the floor of the haunted house. And then once they finish up with that, they'll eventually start putting up the walls. And then after that, they'll start set dressing it and getting ready for Knott's Scary Farm. Probably opening up sometime this September. Now, since I have a dining plan on my annual passing, we're gonna make a pit stop at the pizzeria. Let's see what they got going on in here. And here's our smorgasbord of items. Cole got the pasta. We got spaghetti with the plant-based bolognese, and then we got some veggies on top, a cheese pizza, and then I got a salad with some Italian dressing. It is the Italian salad, so there you go. Bam. Okay, I've been eating this salad for 4 days, and it is, I mean, you definitely get your money's worth. OMG. It's a great salad, but I can't seem to find the bottom of this thing. I've been eating it for quite some time now. Oh yeah, that salad was like climbing a mountain. Like, that salad was intense. Now that we finished up our early dinner, late lunch, we're gonna jump in line for Coast Rider. Give this one a spin. See how she's running today. And here's our chariot. We have the blue car today. I will see you all in just a moment.
Welcome aboard.
Yeah, Coast Rider was a lot of fun. You can see Supreme Screams getting purple at the Boysenberry Festival. But we're gonna head over to Silver Bullet next. And now I said we were gonna do that one after the stagecoach, but we got distracted by that monumentous salad. So we're gonna head over to Silver Bullet and see what the line's like. Yeah, we're gonna do it. The line is a little bit shorter than before, so why not? With that, I think we're gonna slowly work our way out of the park. It was a fun day at the farm today. Seeing the updates, riding a few attractions, just having a good day in general. Well, future Dylan here to close out the Knott's Berry Farm vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel and you love these videos from Knott's Berry Farm or some of your other favorite theme parks, consider subscribing because I have brand new videos every single week. Be sure to check out my Instagram account by following the link down below. But until the next video, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.